Okay, on this problem, we want to solve the radical equation by using systems of equations. We're going to do by graphing. So basically here, we don't want to set one side equal to 0. We have two graphs in here. So basically, we're going to let that equal y1 and let that equal y2. Now, you might have to be a little tricky because we have square root. So when I type in my y1, I might actually have to put in a second equation because when we take the square root of something, we actually have negative as well answer. So, oh, that's a -5. Okay. And then I might have to do this one as two different equations too. So this might be y3, and this would be y4, would do the positive one. But we might be able to just get these two, type these two in. Now here, we want to see where they intersect each other, okay? And how we do that is we're just going to use second trace. But we are going to use, instead of 0, we're actually going to use intersect, right? And so that gives, it says curve 1 and curve 2. And then it says guess. Okay, and you can use the up arrow and the down arrow to switch between your different curves. So if I have all 4 of these in, I might want to find my intersection first, where it's located, and then go ahead and go to curve 1 and select which one I want to, which one I'm talking about intersects each other, right? So it might be y1 and y4, it might be y2 and y3, but in this one, you should actually just be able to get away with using these original ones like this. Okay, and there's an intersection on there of that when you actually graph it. So when I do that, I select this one, this curve as curve 1, and select this one as curve 2, and then I guess, and I'll get 4.01818 for my x value, and then for my y value, I get negative 1.83485. And so there's where the intersection between those two curves are. Yeah, so these other two are actually not even gonna intersect each other, it looks like. So it's really just those first ones, I believe. Yeah, these two right here. Okay, so then you don't have to deal with the negative in front or switching the sign on that one with square root. So just select curve 1, curve 2, and then just guess, and you should get that answer.